Hello. Stay 4 of the rescue ducklings. Young Yeller seems, look at those feet. He is like 100%. And your feet look so good too, Dragon. Oh my goodness, look at those feet. Wow. Okay. Okay, I mean, I think they're pretty much good. I just put them out with Tiffany. And look at them going. Look, there's still a little bit, tiny bit of a waddle with a little dragon there. So I'm just gonna keep them for one more day until Dragon is back to 100%. She's at like 95%. So I think one more day, and then as long as she's all good tomorrow will be the day to go reunite them with their actual mama.